This is going to be a reading for the sign of Gemini. All that you need to know about your person moving forward. So let's start. What's your current energy like? Welcome back to the channel, by the way. Right now, I believe some of you could be not really interacting with your person directly, but could be stalking them, like could be watching them. I mean, stalking sometimes doesn't go well with everyone, the word, but you guys could be like possibly watching them. I mean, come on, you guys are air signs, okay? I mean, you guys are very curious like that, right? Give me one more card. What Gemini is going through. With the judgment card, you are doing this because you want to come to a judgment. You want to make a decision now. You do not want to wait and stay strangled there, waste your time, and just get nowhere. Okay, you are wanting to basically decide whether this is a person you want to invest more or just get the hell out of. Okay, one more card. What are you guys going through? I believe with the Three of Swords in the reverse, you guys are not so hurt right now. In the past, yes, it was hurting you, but right now I believe that you guys are slowly but surely healing. Yes, you're possibly keeping a watch on them. You're still wanting to know what this person is up to, but that doesn't make you heartbroken that this person isn't around. You are surely wanting to hear from them. You surely want to know answer to few of your questions here and there. But overall, I see you healing from this heartbreak that this person made you go through. Okay, one more card for your person. Like, what are they up to? Gemini, soulmate, what are they up to? With Wheel of Fortune and Knight of Wands, I believe for many of you, this person is more focused on themselves right now, their future, like what's coming next for them. Okay, in terms of that spirit, give me one more card to clarify the Wheel of Fortune as to what exactly is happening in their life that Gemini needs to know about. Okay, yeah, this person is more focused on their finances right now. I do not see this person being focused on their love life. They're rather focused on their new job, their career, like what's to come for them in terms of their finances. Okay, in terms of that, one card. In the past, this person could have rejected you and focused more on their finances. I do not know who you're dealing with, but looks like an earth sign to me, like a Taurus or someone. Give me one more card as to how are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about you now? With Ace of Swords, please clarify the Ace of Swords. This person could want to like reach out soon or thinking about Gemini now. I mean, this has been long due now. This person wanted to reach out but did not reach out. Reason being they were too overburdened with their work life, like whatever they were doing lately. Okay, this could also be their personal life. Doesn't have to be their work life. I believe right now, this person is very eager to reach out to you. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you, okay, with Seven of Wands and Five of Cups, even if they want to reach out, this person is not completely wanting to invest into you. Okay, like this person is wanting to keep a distance, like maintain an emotional distance. Yes, they miss you. I mean, yes, they regret hurting you in the past and all that, but they are not completely going to want to let you in their life. Okay, one card for their feelings towards you, one card for their true feelings towards you now. In terms of their feelings, they still believe that you guys can still work this out with each other. Okay, the problem is one of you could have now possibly walked away. It is like that you are walking away or you already have walked away. But with the star card, this person is still keeping that hope and faith alive that this could somehow work in the end. Okay, in terms of that, like one card for their intentions towards you. Like, what are their intentions towards you moving forward? I'll be very honest with you. Even if this person comes forward to you, I do not see this person offering you commitment. Okay, reason being, spirit, reason being, why are they not giving the Geminis the needed commitment they've been waiting? Okay. Right now, I believe this person has other options. This doesn't have to be a person. This could be their work life, their personal life, and you, or this could be you and someone else, and they haven't decided yet. If even if they come back, I'll be very honest, straightforward. You guys can take it. You guys are air signs, straightforward as me, as same here. But I do believe that with Seven of Cups in the reverse and Three of Pentacles, this person hasn't decided. Even if they come back, they start communication, I still do not see it getting anywhere. Okay, to a point of a solid commitment. Okay, in terms of that, like what are the major blockages, Spirit? Like what are the major blockages? Knight of Cups. This person isn't open to possibly investing emotionally. Like, give me one more card for the major blockage that's stopping Gemini from getting into a solid commitment. Yeah. For selected few of you, this person is way too focused on their finances. Okay, I'll have to clarify that. Give me a second, please. Why is this Gemini person behaving this way, Spirit? Why is the Gemini person behaving this way? Okay. I'm getting very straightforward. Is the reason why they have their back turned is because they are confused. Okay. Second card I'm getting here is, please don't hate me. I'm not a bad person. Okay. There's another card that fell off. I'll have to pick it up. Got feelings but can't risk. That is another card I'm getting. Please watch out for this person who's going to use their sweet words to possibly stay open to them, but I don't think they are coming back for a commitment. They are rather coming back to see what you are up to. Okay. One more card for what else is happening in their life that Gemini needs to know about. Are they involved elsewhere? For many of you, this person does have another person. Okay, like they have another partner, or they are in a steady relationship. I won't say that they are in a commitment, but they are in the steady situationship. Okay, they do have someone in the sides that is possibly getting in the way. Two of Cups, the lovers. This could be your sex buddy. I'll be straightforward here. Okay, so for now, where is this going? For now, where is this going for Geminis? For now, where is this going for Geminis? I do see that for now there is going to be communication. This person will want to communicate. Okay, in terms of what exactly are they wanting to offer you? What exactly are they wanting to offer you? Yeah, I believe this person is going to come back for some, you know, passionate time with you. This person might also want to take you out for a small date, which could lead to something more passionate. Okay, I do feel that you guys are definitely going to meet in this month. You asked me about commitment. That is something I still do not see happening. Okay, mind you, this is a general reading and may or may not resonate completely. But for now, this is what I see. Like, what exactly are they wanting from you now? What exactly are they wanting from you now? This person does not want to lose their control over you. They still want to have you. Like, they do not want to have that feeling that they have lost you. Okay, with King of Wands, even if this person is your soulmate, I believe they are passionate about you, but this person is hiding something. And once that comes out to light, I don't think you're going to want to entertain them. Okay, so yeah, give me a second. I'll just pull that card that fell off. I also believe that some of you, there is a huge difference. Like, it could be that there is a social, like a social difference where you are very well to do and they are not, or it could be that there is a huge gap difference. Okay, this is not your usual soulmate. This is definitely not a person you usually go after, and that could be getting in the way. Okay, so for now, this is the reading I have for you, Geminis, from now until the 15th of Feb. Okay, so if it resonated, please be considerate enough to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you want to get a personal reading done from me, which is going to be one-to-one personal, please go and visit my website and book one that feels right for you. Thank you so much for coming in, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.